How to find your trade URL on Steam. So if you want to find your trade URL on Steam, then first open up your Steam application. Once you've opened, simply log into your account. So open up your Steam application, and once you've opened, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your Steam, now you can go for your profile or your name, which will be on the upper side. Click on the name, and then you can go for profile, which is on the second option. Go for your profile, and here you can have inventory option. Click on inventory. So once you click on inventory, you can go for trade offers, which will be on the upper right. Click on that, and then go for who can send me trade offers. And here you can scroll down, and here you will have your trade URL. So you can simply copy this URL and you can paste it wherever you like, or you can send it to your friends or anything. So that's how you can find your trade URL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.